Preheating and calcination are two critical steps in the cement manufacturing process. These steps involve heating the raw meal to high temperatures to initiate chemical reactions and transformations that ultimately lead to the formation of clinker. Preheating is the process of heating the raw meal to a temperature of around 800 degrees to 900 degrees. This step is designed to remove excess moisture. Preheating helps to remove excess moisture from the raw meal, making it easier to handle and process. Initiate chemical reactions. Preheating initiates chemical reactions between the raw materials, such as the decomposition of limestone and clay. Reduce energy consumption. Preheating reduces the energy required for calcination, as some of the chemical reactions have already been initiated. Calcination. Calcination is the process of heating the preheated raw meal to a temperature of around 900 degrees to 1000 degrees. This step is designed to decompose limestone and clay. Calcination decomposes limestone and clay into calcium oxide and silica, respectively. Form calcium aluminate and ferrite. Calcination forms calcium aluminate and ferrite, which are critical components of clinker 3. Release carbon dioxide. Calcination releases carbon dioxide gas, which is a byproduct of the decomposition of limestone. Types of calcination. There are two types of calcination. Long dry calcination. This process involves heating the raw meal in a long dry kiln. Short wet calcination. This process involves heating the raw meal in a short wet kiln. Equipment used. The equipment used for preheating and calcination includes preheater. A preheater is a vertical or horizontal vessel that is used to heat the raw meal to a temperature of around 800 degrees C to 900 degrees C2. Calciner. A calciner is a vessel that is used to heat the preheated raw meal to a temperature of around 900 degrees C to 1000 degrees C. 3. Kiln. A kiln is a long, cylindrical vessel that is used to heat the raw meal to high temperatures. Chemical reactions. The chemical reactions that occur during preheating and calcination include decomposition of limestone, KCO3, CaO plus CO2. Decomposition of clay, Al2O3, 2SiO2, 2H2O, Al2O3 plus 2SiO2 plus 2H2O3. Formation of calcium aluminate, Ko plus Al2O3, CaAl2O4. Formation of ferrite, Ko plus Fe2O3, Ca2O4. By understanding the processes of preheating and calcination, we can better appreciate the complex chemistry and engineering involved in cement manufacturing.